In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a easy 5-minute scalping strategy. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Now without further ado, let's take a look at the charts and let's get this video started. For this strategy, we're going to be looking at this strategy on a 5-minute time frame, and we're going to be looking at GBP, JPY. And to use this strategy, we only need two confirmations. We need to figure out and identify our highs and our lows, meaning our support and our resistance zone. So I'll be showing you guys two examples here, a buy example and a sell example. So we're going to take a look at this buy example first. Now, if we look here to the left hand side here, before we take a buy position, we need to figure out our highs and our lows. And we can see that previously, now we're looking at the most recent lows and the most recent highs. That's what we're looking at, and that's what we're looking for. So we have this low, and we also have this high right over here. So now we figured out our highs and our lows, and as you guys can see here, we have rejections here, rejections here, and for our lows, rejections, rejections, rejections right here. So now that we figured out our highs and our lows, what we simply need to wait for now is we need to see a break and close above our high before we can take a buy position. Now let me put this in replay mode, and I will show you guys where your entry will be to take this buy position. So let's take a look and see here. So right here we have the break and close above our previous high, so our entry will be right here at this bullish engulfing candle, and we can have our stop loss right below this zone here. And for our take profit target, all we have to do is to look to the left hand side here, and we can target that zone, and we have our previous high right here, as you guys can see, because of this high right here, because of this rejection here. So we're going to target that zone as our take profit target. So we'll have our take profit here. We're looking at 35 pips. So let's see how this trade played out. Right there, we got our take profit smash for 35 pips, stop loss 10 pips, risk to reward ratio 3:2. So guys, this is exactly how you guys use this strategy to take a buy position. So now we're going to take a look at a sell position as well. So, but before we take a look at a sell position, I want to show you guys something real quick. So for example, let's say you missed this entry right here. I'm trying to do this to show you guys that when you're trying to get in the market and you felt like you missed your entry, that doesn't mean you really missed your entry. Just be patient. You be patient and wait for the next setup. You're gonna see another setup, just like we see here. If I pull out my trend line tool here, we can see that we actually had two entries right here. Two entries. We had an entry right here to take a buy position, and we have another one here because price bounced off our trend line at point B and it bounced off again at point C. But right here we can see price broke this point D here, and we can see a sell. Price dropped right here after that. So you had an entry here, and your TP would have been right here, your take profit, and the third entry right here, your take profit would have been right over here. You just have to target the next previous high as your take profit targets. I just had to show you that real quick. So now we're going to take a look at the sell position. So right here, now for this sell position, all we need to do is to figure out our highs and our lows, and we can see we have a high right here. This was our high previously, the most recent high, because we have a rejection there, and we had our most previous low here because we also had a rejection right there. As you guys can see, we had rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. So now I'm going to put this in replay mode and show you guys where your entry is going to be to take this sell position. We have the break and close right there, as you guys can see. So now we'll have our entry, we'll have our sell entry, gonna have our sell entry right here, and our stop loss will be right above this zone here. Now for our take profit, we just got to look to the left hand side here, and we can see that we can actually target this zone here. We can target this zone right here. And if I drag this to the left, we should see that it was, yeah, right there. We can see that this was a support zone here, and it became resistance here to the right hand side, because support will always become resistance and resistance will always become support. That's just how it is. So this is going to be our take profit target here. Now our take profit is going to be for, let's see here, we're looking at 25 pips as our take profit. And now let's see how this trade eventually played out. Right there, we got our take profit smash for 25 pips, as you guys can see. So guys, this is exactly how you use this 5-minute scalping strategy to take a buy position and a sell position. This is, in my opinion, hands down the best scalping strategy you can ever use and you ever find, because it involves complete price action, trading naked charts. So guys, I hope you guys found value in this video. If you found value in this video, give this video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. God bless you all. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Fearless.